Lesson 10. Conversation practice. 6 conversations. Listen to these conversations, then repeat. What's your nationality?
I'm Japanese. I was born in Tokyo. Were you born in the United States?
Yes, I was. I was born in New York.
In New York City?
Yes.
Miss Yang isn't Korean.
What is she?
She's Chinese.
Did your mother come yesterday?
Yes, she did.
Did your sister come too?
No, she stayed in Denver.
Did Dr. Black and his wife stay in that hotel?
No, they didn't.
Where did they stay?
I don't know.
How old's your daughter?
She's 10. She was 10 last week. Her birthday was last Tuesday.
Now repeat.
What's your nationality? What's your nationality?
I'm Japanese. I was born in Tokyo. I'm Japanese. I was born in Tokyo.
Were you born in the United States? Were you born in the United States?
Yes, I was. I was born in New York. Yes, I was. I was born in New York.
In New York City? In New York City?
Yes. Yes.
Miss Yang isn't Korean. Miss Yang isn't Korean.
What is she? What is she?
She's Chinese. She's Chinese.
Did your mother come yesterday? Did your mother come yesterday?
Yes, she did. Yes, she did.
Did your sister come too? Did your sister come too?
No, she stayed in Denver. No, she stayed in Denver.
Did Dr. Black and his wife stay in that hotel? Did Dr. Black and his wife stay in that hotel? No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Where did they stay? Where did they stay? I don't know. I don't know.
How old's your daughter? How old's your daughter?
She's 10. She was 10 last week. Her birthday was last Tuesday. She's 10. She was 10 last week. Her birthday was last Tuesday.
Practice drills and exercises. 1. Conjoining with but. Repeat. Affirmative sentence, negative sentence.
1. He's here today. He's here today. He wasn't here yesterday. He wasn't here yesterday. He's here today, but he wasn't here yesterday. He's here today, but he wasn't here yesterday.
Two, we're good friends now. We're good friends now. We weren't good friends last year. We weren't good friends last year. We're good friends now, but we weren't good friends last year. We're good friends now, but we weren't good friends last year.
Three. Mr. and Mrs. Watson were in the hotel at 7. Mr. and Mrs. Watson were in the hotel at 7. They weren't there at 10. They weren't there at 10. Mr. and Mrs. Watson were in the hotel at 7, but they weren't there at 10. Mr. and Mrs. Watson were in the hotel at 7, but they weren't there at 10. Join the two sentences. Use but. Negative sentence, affirmative sentence.
Listen to the model.
1. I wasn't here yesterday. I was here all day today.
I wasn't here yesterday, but I was here all day today.
I wasn't here yesterday, but I was here all day today.
I wasn't here yesterday, but I was here all day today.
Now you do the exercise.
1. I wasn't here yesterday. I was here all day today.
I wasn't here yesterday, but I was here all day today.
2. He isn't from China. He's Chinese.
He isn't from China, but he's Chinese.
3. She wasn't busy this morning. She was very busy this afternoon.
She wasn't busy this morning, but she was very busy this afternoon.
4. Mr. Black isn't here today. He was in yesterday.
Mr. Black isn't here today, but he was in yesterday.
5. They weren't sick last night. They were sick this morning.
They weren't sick last night, but they were sick this morning.
Page 74. 2. Past of be. Yes-no questions and short answers. Take the part of Speaker A. Form yes-no questions. Statement of fact. Listen. 1. They were sick. 2. Mary was late. 3. Tom was here yesterday. 4. The radio was a gift. 5. They were in the hotel. 6. Fred was born in New York. 7. That was his sister. 8. Her father was from Montreal.
Take the part of Speaker A. Form yes-no questions.
Listen to the model.
1.
Were they sick?
Yes, they were.
Now do the exercise.
1.
Were they sick?
Yes, they were. 2.
Was Mary late?
Yes, she was. 3.
Was Tom here yesterday?
Yes, he was. 4.
Was the radio a gift?
Yes, it was. 5.
Were they in the hotel?
Yes, they were. 6.
Was Fred born in New York?
Yes, he was. 7.
Was that his sister?
Yes, it was. 8.
Was her father from Montreal?
Yes, he was.
Repeat after speaker B.
1. Were you in the office yesterday?
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
2. Was Jim born in New York?
No, he wasn't. No, he wasn't.
3. Were Tom and Ted absent today?
No, they weren't. No, they weren't.
4. Was that your watch on the table?
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't.
5. Was Mary busy?
No, she wasn't. No, she wasn't.
6. Were we very late?
No, we weren't. No, we weren't.
Take the part of speaker B. Give short answers as indicated.
1. Were Dr. Black and his wife in the hotel?
No, they weren't.
2. Were you born in Chicago?
No, I wasn't.
3. Was your sister here all day yesterday?
Yes, she was.
4. Was that your son in the picture?
No, it wasn't.
5. Was lesson 9 easy?
Yes, it was.
6. Was Mr. Ross an engineer?
No, he wasn't.
7. Was that a business letter for me?
No, it wasn't.
8. Were Ted and Helen married last week?
Yes, they were.
9. Were we here on Tuesday?
No, we weren't.
10. Was the watch a gift?
Yes, it was.
Three. Cardinal numbers, 20 to 100. Learn these numbers. First repeat them.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100. Practice reading these numbers.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80.
1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91.
4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94.
6, 39, 64, 71, 97, 55, 41, 19, 77, 82.
4. Practice in counting. Count by tens to 100.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
'Count by fives to 100.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
'Count by twos from 20 to 40.
20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40.
5. Telling age. Be 10 years old. Add a second sentence. Begin last year. Listen to the model.
1. I'm 32 years old.
Last year I was 31.
Last year I was 31.
Last year I was 31.
Now you do the exercise.
1. I'm 32 years old.
Last year I was 31.
2. He's 46 years old.
Last year he was 45.
3. My sister's 29.
Last year she was 28.
4. My father's 66 years old.
Last year he was 65.
5. I'm 19 years old.
Last year I was 18.
6. Ellie's 10 years old.
Last year she was 9.
Add a second sentence. Begin now. Use pronoun subjects. Listen to the models.
1. Last year I was 23 years old.
Now I'm 24.
Now I'm 24.
Now I'm 24.
2. Last year she was 32 years old.
Now she's 33.
Now she's 33.
Now she's 33.
Now you do the exercise.
1. Last year I was 23 years old.
Now I'm 24.
2. Last year she was 32 years old.
Now she's 33.
3. Last year my brother was 21 years old.
Now he's 22.
4. Last year Tom was 16.
Now he's 17.
5. Last year Jim was 19 years old.
Now he's 20.
6. Last year my father was 54.
Now he's 55.
7. Last year they were 76 years old.
Now they're 77.
6. Questions with did and short answers with did and didn't. Repeat these questions.
Did your mother come?
Did my brother call?
Did your sister stay there?
Did you understand the dialogue?
Did they speak English to you?
Did the Carlsons remember Tom Evers?
Take the part of speaker B, use the cue, and give an affirmative or negative short answer. Listen to the model. 1. Did your mother come? Yes.
Yes, she did.
Now you do the exercise. 1. Did your mother come? Yes.
Yes, she did.
2. Did your sister come too? No.
No, she didn't.
3. Did your brother and sister stay in New York? Yes.
Yes, they did.
4. Did you and Jim meet Jane? Yes.
Yes, we did.
5. Did Mr. and Mrs. Black believe you? No.
No, they didn't.
6. Did you repeat the dialogue? Yes.
Yes, I did.
7. Did Mary close the door? No.
No, she didn't.
8. Did your father work last Tuesday? No.
No, he didn't.
9. Did you say Eric was a scientist? Yes.
Yes, I did.
10. Did Mr. and Mrs. Carlson come to dinner? Yes.
Yes, they did.
11. Did you and Bill see John? No.
No, we didn't.
12. Did you study last night? Yes.
Yes, I did.
Page 77.
Pronunciation practice. 1. Pronunciation of 13 and 30, 14 and 40, etc. Repeat these pairs of numbers.
30, 13. 40, 14. 50, 15. 60, 16. 70, 17. 80, 18. 90, 19.
2. Number discrimination. Listen. Say 1 if the speaker says the phrase in column 1. Say 2 if he pronounces the phrase in column 2.
40 boys.
1.
18 pages.
2.
90 years.
1.
14 boys.
2.
80 pages.
1.
19 years.
2.
30 children.
1.
15 books.
2.
13 children.
2.
50 books.
1.
16 schools.
2.
17 men.
2.
60 schools.
1.
70 men.
1.
End of Lesson 10.